Hey there, future tech leaders. Welcome to TechBytes with Leena, your go-to space where tech concepts meet real-world clarity. A little about me. I am a certified advanced software testing professional in automation with several years of hands-on experience in the IT industry. From being a professor to working as an SME and consultant, I have worn many hats, and every role taught me one thing. There's a huge gap between what students learn and what the industry expects. Here on TechBytes, you will find the most relevant topics in the industry, be it software testing, automation, and front-end development. Step-by-step breakdowns of complex tech concepts, and yes, personal stories and life lessons from my own journey to help you stay ahead, not overwhelmed. Whether you are a student, a career switcher, or just a curious techie, this channel is all about bridging the gap between what you know and what the industry demands. So if you are ready to level up with practical knowledge, industry insights, and a whole lot of tech talks, don't just watch. Join the journey, subscribe now, and let's build your career one byte at a time. And hey, don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a byte.